Next, I'm going to show you how to use the loft tool, which uses 2 or more curves. So again, it's going to go into an orthographic view and create a curve. The shape of it does not really matter. And I'm going to duplicate it. They can be the same curve, or you can make it a little bigger or smaller. So for now, I'm just going to use the exact same curve. And selection order is important. However, when you only have 2 curves, it is less so. When you have more than 1 curve, the order that you select them becomes very important. And I'm going to go up to Surfaces, Loft, and Options box, and make sure that polygons and control points are turned on, and hit Apply. And it will create geometry between the 2 curves. You can go back and edit the curve like before. And it can be a good way to start creating a complicated model. They don't have to be the exact same curve. And you can have more than 1, or more than 2. And this is where your selection order is very important. If I hit Apply, it will just create geometry between all of them. Sometimes it will mess up, and it will, even if you select it in the correct order, go maybe curve 1 to 3 to 2 to 4, which will give you some very broken geometry. You can always go in segments and just select the curves one at a time. It will give you different chunks of geometry that you would be able to do a mesh combine on, and then a merge vertices. It can be used with any of the curve tools. I often use it with the 3-point circular arc tool. So I go up to Create Curves, 3-point circular arc. I always start from the center and move over a set amount, and then move up, and then move over the same amount. Then I have a nice arc. You can always change the curve if you want it to be a little bit different. And it can be a good way to start some complicated architectural modeling. You can just loft them together, extrude in or out, and create whatever geometry you want.